Hello my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel Creation. So dear lovely friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Amen. My dear lovely friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I am showing our outfit trendy in crochet collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand-knitted alternate top, crop top designs. So dear lovely friends, I now suggest you watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Dear lovely friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video in any function of my channel. So if you like this video, hit that like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Dear lovely friends, I will try my best to show all ideas. So please subscribe, like, and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. My dear lovely friends, you can get ideas. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new crochet collection and new latest trendy in marvelous ideas. Dear lovely friends and beautiful viewers, we will be right back. So bye bye.